Hi, my name is Yuri. Welcome to this video tutorial of the Matchhamster dashboard. The dashboard that gives you unique insights into where your content has been used online. You can go to matchhamster.com to log in. Click on the sign in button. And you can log in with your email address and password. So I've been logged in. Basically, we first need to connect your content feed to our Matchhamster application. Once this is done, we automatically start matching the web, monitoring the web to find matching content and to build up data. Let me go through the several tabs one by one. The first tab is the settings tab. This basically contains the account, profile picture, profile, stuff like that. Also the publications or feeds that have been connected to the platform. We recommend not to change the settings, or at least do that after consulting us first. And you can, for example, also add new users to the dashboard if you like. Let me go through to the articles tab. Basically, in this tab you can find all articles that have been imported into the dashboard. Let me switch off the date filter to find articles that have been imported into this demo account. Yeah, let me see. Okay, basically what you see over here is a list of articles that have been imported some time ago. You can see the article title. You can see the publication of each article. You can see the publication date, the number of matches that were found on the original article. After we search, basically what we do is we search for each and every article, and we find matching content on specific URLs. So if we click this one, for example, you can see the websites where we found matches of this article. Let me go back. And last, you can also see the scan status. In this case, all articles have been scanned. Each tab contains several sort and filtering options, which you will find easy to use. Let me go to the Matches tab and switch off again the date filter. Here you can see URLs of matching content that was found online based on an original article. Let me show you an example. For example, this one, dwtonline.com / a lot. I've clicked it, and right now I'm going to show you. This is showing you a live view of the URL and the content that is matching the original content. So in this case, you can see in purple what is exactly matching the original article. And this is the original article, so you can switch back and forth. In this case, it's a 55% match of the original article. You can open this URL of the match outside of the dashboard as well, if you like. And let me go back. As you can see over here, this is basically working like an email inbox, so the newest results will come in on top. And you can scroll down. These articles have been opened before. You can see that because it's a gray box, and new ones are having a blue line in front of it and are white, so these have not been opened yet. Well, from this overview, you can check out each and every match that was found online. Based on the content, you can see which feed it belongs to, the number of the match percentage, and again, you can use a lot of sort and filtering options over here on top. Let me go to the Sales tab. Again, switch off the date filter. In this tab, all results that were found on particular domains have been bundled. So in this case, you can see nu.nl, which is a domain and on this website the Matchhamster dashboard found 11 matches in total, and yeah, it's automatically sorted on the number of matches that was found on a particular domain. This is actually quite an interesting tab, because over here you can see a lot of interesting data, like which websites are using my content, how much content are they using. If you click a domain, you can see the specific matches that were found on this particular domain. You can see what was the original publication of these matches. What's company data, like when it was found, which industry is it from. There's a lot of information available, and what you can do basically, that's why it's called the sales tab, is that you can categorize these domains, because these domains could be interesting to sell a content license to, or to contact to start a partnership. You can, for example, click on the little boxes in front of the domains, and you can say categorize to give it a category which you find suitable. For example, this is a lead for new business. Now, let me go back, and then you can see exactly that I've been categorizing these as leads. But it could also, of course, be a client already, a customer, or it could be a website that is plagiarizing you or your content. There's a lot of possibilities why you would like to categorize these domains. And you can also switch domains on or off. If you find your own website back in the results, which obviously we can also find, you can switch it off easily, so the results won't come back in the Matches tab and in other results. And if you switch it on again, the results will be available again. And of course, we also over here have a lot of sorting and filtering options. You can sort and filter by country, industry, publication, stuff like that. The editorial tab I'm going to skip, as for now this is only a duplicate of the sales tab. Later on we would like to specify the data we find, and that is actually suitable for editors, and show the results over here. But for now it's only a copy of the sales tab. Then we have a reporting tab. In this tab you can find an overview of all results, and basically the numbers of results for all publications that are connected to the account. So as you can see over here, these are the publications that have been connected to this account. You can see how many articles have been imported and scanned, how many matches were found on these articles, how many domains, the percentage match per article. So one article has, in this case, a 277% number. Yeah, so each for every article there's 2.77 matches. What is the average match percentage? How much of an article has been used by third parties? And what is the average number of words per match? Stuff like that. Very interesting information. And you can see also some statistics and some graphics which we're building up from now on to give even more information. You can also, of course, use the filtering options to filter on a specific time period or publication. And what you can also do, this is basically available in every tab, is you can download a report. That's this button, which is a CSV report with the actual numbers. You can also send through a report by using this button, and this is an email function, so you can send it to, for example, Yuri at matchhamster.com. Test. And by sending it, you will send actually the CSV export of the results you just filtered. So you can share it with colleagues, with a lawyer, stuff like that. And yeah, that's basically it. Thanks for listening.